Good morning, students. Last week we were studying about the adjective. Adjectives are the words which tells more about noun. Okay, the words which describes noun are called adjectives, and there is question number 2 in the book and question number 3 which was left. We have not done it, and that we are going to do it. Now what you have to do, you have to color this picture. What you have to do, you have to color the picture, you have to draw. If you don't have grammar book, you can draw this picture in your English notebook and color it with different colors. And after coloring this picture, we have to use adjectives words. Can you see our adjective words? These adjective words, which words we have to use in sentences, and we have to frame sentences with the help of picture. Okay, now first point which is given here, or first sentence which is given here is, a pretty girl, the pretty girl plays with her sister. The pretty girl plays with her sister. So what more sentences we can make here? There is a large tree in the park. Okay, I am giving you one sentence. There is a large tree. There is a large tree in the park. Okay. Second, a little dog is sitting near, or what you can write down, little only, correct or not? A little dog is sitting near girls. A little dog is sitting near girls, or you can write down, a little dog is sitting near seesaw. Okay. There is an aeroplane high in the sky. Can you see aeroplane? Yes. There is an aeroplane high in the sky. Fourth sentence which I can give you is, the truck has heavy load. Can you see a truck? The truck has a heavy load. Has a heavy load. What has a heavy load? Truck has a heavy load. More, what you can write down sentences? The sun is round. Correct? The sun, or the sun looks like a, or the ball is round, or there is a round ball. Correct? There is a round ball on the floor, or boy is playing with a round ball. You can write any sentences. Okay. Now your question number 3 is, how will you describe the following in one word? A tie that cost a lot. Correct? A tie which cost a lot, which is costly. So what we can write down for that? We can write down it costly or expensive. One word. The tie which is costly, we can write down costly or expensive. Second group of words which is given here is, a boy who shows a lot of courage. The person who is having lot of courage. We can write down answer courageous or daring. Correct? Daring. A cake full of cream. Creamy cake. Fourth one, a baby with good health. We can call one word for that, healthy, correct, or strong. A person full of greed, who has more desire to get wealth, or desire to get more money, or desire to get more property, they are called greedy. And a beach full of sand, you can write down answer, sandy beach. Understood? In this way what we have done, we have completed adjective lesson. Tomorrow we are going to start with fun with words, by adding ment, meant, by adding ful, full in the ending of the words. How we will able to make new words, that we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Understood? That we are going to study in tomorrow's period. Whatever is able to complete, that much we will complete, okay, of English grammar. How much it is possible, that much we will try to complete in this week and next week. Okay, thank you.